I started this day off as usual. Got some fruit for breakfast. Went to open my homework. Closed out of my homework. Then went on YouTube to distract me from my homework. And as I scrolled down, something strange appeared. It appeared. An art challenge. A hard art challenge. 99% will never finish. How hard can it actually be? Alright folks, listen. I saw this, it said challenge, and I felt challenged because it also said 99% of people can't do it, so I gotta be the 1%. No taxes. Bro, that wasn't even funny. That was funny. I watched this video and this evil man, and I can say whatever I want because he won't see this video, called me out in it. So yeah, we're gonna react to it so y'all know the rules and I remember the rules correctly. Alright.
So this challenge is not going to be as easy and fun as those other ones, but I promise you it's going to make you a better artist in quite a few ways.
It better. I better be drawing Picassos after I'm done with this if you say it's so hard. If 99% of people can't do it.
Are you tough enough to do it though? I don't know. Some of you are going to be probably too chicken to try this.
Too chicken? Too chicken. Too chicken, Mr. Josh. Too chicken? Too chicken?
The thing is, if you have art block, you really need to do this challenge because I think it's going to take you pretty far in figuring out how to improve, how to get that.
That's crazy. I never have art block. I never do. I always know what I want to draw. For sure.
So the thing is, we're going to be drawing something 3 times. I want to call it my like Ergo 3x challenge or something. We'll see. The goal is to take something you've never drawn before, right? Something relatively simple, but it's not easy. And it's obviously, again, something you haven't drawn before. And you're going to spend 10 minutes drawing it. Then after that, you're going to take a 1-minute break. And then in that break, you're going to try to look at your drawing, summarize in your head or maybe out loud what you've learned, what you messed up on. And then right after that, you're going to draw it again for another 10 minutes. And then you're going to repeat that, take another minute break. And then for the last time, you're going to draw it for 10 minutes again. And then you should be.
That's it. That's it. That's too easy. That's too easy. I do that all the time. I do that on stream. Come on now. 99%. Come on now. He's capping.
With 3 drawings, rules I want to mention before you even think about starting this challenge. First off, if you watch this video, you have to try it, all right?
He got me. That's crazy. He big brained me. He got me to click on it. I mean, to watch this far. That's crazy. Now I got it. Now I have to do it. Okay.
You can't just watch the video for fun. Second rule is, well, let's just say it's more if you want to take it seriously. If you want to say you did this in the hard mode, then definitely give yourself a timer, right? You need to give yourself a timer. I feel like that's pretty much self-explanatory so that you don't go over the time. But if you really, really want to take this seriously, don't listen to any music. No music.
No music. No music. I can do that. It's just no music. I can do that.
Of course, I'm going to do this here for you guys today. I'm going to take something I've never drawn.
So yeah, that's the challenge. It's not that hard. It's just no music. We done that before. Alright?
Never.
So yeah, I'm not going to show what he did. If you want to see what he did in his challenge, you can go check out this video. I'll link it in the description. But I'm going to start my own. 10 minutes, a break, review what I drew, and then another 10 minutes. Right? Right? That's not too hard. Like I do this in street. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna get into it. Okay, so I got a minute left with some change, but yeah, I mean, it's not terribly bad. Maybe this is hard. Nah, it's not too bad. I was looking at, let's do this. I was looking at his hair right here, if you see it. I was looking at it, and as I was drawing it, or not right there, but right here at these points. And as I was drawing it, I drew this point down here, put this point up here, so I have to go back and fix it. And I didn't use an eraser because it looks like he didn't in his video, but I don't know for sure. So his jaw could be better. His mustache doesn't go all the way down to his chin, and his chin is much larger. Yeah, his chin is much larger. His entire head is much larger. Really? Actually, his ears are in the wrong place, and that moved the entire facial structure down. So I need to move the facial structure up, and that'll give me enough space to do the mustache and all that. So yeah, that's clear and go to a new one. Let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. I just said I wasn't going to erase, and I just did it 3 times in a row. Okay. Okay, this time is even shorter than the last, but it's because I'm getting better, duh. No, but I think I did an overall better job with it. The only problem is I moved the ears up a bit, but also moved everything else to be spread out. So as you can see here, the eyes are really off. The mouth and nose is kind of off, and the hairline is off. So I need to find a way to keep it all in the same area and compress it and measure it out better, just by looking at it. And I did make another layer to do better inks because this was a bit too sketchy. But this is what set it all to be off in the first place. A bad sketch, and then you'll have a bad drawing. Not bad, but off model. So yeah, you move on to the final one. So yeah, just need to measure it better, eye to eye measure, and yeah, we'll see how that one turns out. Well, it's not bad. This challenge definitely was harder than I thought it would be. 10 minutes wasn't the hardest part. It was probably the fact that I had no music. No joke. I think more clearly with music blasting into my ear. It's weird. I know. If you draw without music, you're a psychopath. So yeah. This is how it went. Yeah, so these are my 3 drawings. The first one, I mean, I already got you through my thought process, but first one was alright. A great first start for me. I kind of like it better than the second one. The second one sort of stretches out his eyes in a weird way. They're too far up his head. But in the original, it's sort of like that in general. His eyes are really up in his head, and his jaw is like 50% of his head. But that's just not my style, I guess. So I didn't really like how that looks. And the third one, it feels better than the first and second one, for sure. But I feel like I cheated. I said I couldn't erase, but I didn't say I couldn't fill in. So this whole mouth part was a mistake. But I just filled it in with black, and y'all can barely see it, and I can barely see it. So yeah, it's not too bad. So yeah, thank you, Mr. Josh, for this hard challenge. This was a good challenge. I do want to do it again. I feel like if I did someone that I was more familiar with, it would have went better. But I think that's the whole challenge part of it, is to do someone that you're unfamiliar with proportions that you're unfamiliar with. Even though I draw a lot of Dragon Ball, Hercule really doesn't look like every other Dragon Ball character, if that makes sense. But yeah, I will be linking his video in the description. If you enjoyed anything you saw, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe. I make art videos more than likely every Sunday. If not a video, I will be live streaming where I'll take character suggestions and draw them. We have a lot of fun, make jokes. So yeah. Also, an announcement for the streams. I will be switching over to Twitch. I will be setting up my account soon. I'm going to be linking my account into the description as well for the next time I stream. I feel like Twitch has just a better streaming service than YouTube. So I'm going to be trying that out for a while the YouTube videos will stay here. I will be posting the recordings from Twitch onto YouTube after I'm done streaming, but if you want to catch it live, it will be on Twitch, which will be linked into the description. Okay, goodbye.